A lot of insurance companies are like, I don't want to insure you. And if I do, I'm hearing, for example, policies, listen to this. I'll give you 2 examples in California where they're paying $30,000 for their entire complex. The next time around, when they went to get insurance a year later, it was $250,000. I heard another complex where they're paying, somewhere around $50,000 to $60,000. The cheapest policy to get fully insured would have been $1 million. And the problem is you, the HOA, have to pay for it. So you, the homeowners, have to pay for it. So they have to assess you, and there's no money. So what are these condo complexes doing? They're just becoming underinsured. So if they get hit by an earthquake, a fire, a hurricane, or a major flood, you might not have enough money to replace the value of the property you live in. How scary is that? And this is all because insurance has gotten out of control. Yes, the insurance companies didn't realize as the pandemic went and the cost of everything went up, there was a report out that the cost to just repair things was 30% more today than it was before the pandemic. And they realized we were not bumping our policies up. So now we're going to whack you with them. We're going to hit you with it when that's going with car and house. And people are feeling this across the country. Some people, yes, I hear from like Kenny, my insurance hasn't changed. Okay, great. That is awesome. But for a lot of us, it has. It's gotten more and more expensive. Those that are residential, commercial, especially commercial, is getting crazy. It's getting insane.